So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make millions of coins easily in FC Mobile. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. So I've actually talked about this trick before, but a lot of you have been saying it's not working. So here I am to go ahead and prove it is still working. First of all, what I'm going to do is obviously the trick I'm going to use is I'm going to go ahead and get a lot of the same players, rank that player up a lot of times, and I'm going to be able to sell him for a lot more. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out what you need to do. I'm going to show you an example for lower scale first, for lower coins, and if you got more coins, I'm going to show you example for more coins as well. So first of all, if you go into my orders, you will see I've got these two cards right now, Williams, and I actually got a lot more Rhys Williams. These are the only last two that I've got left that I need to claim. If you go there, you will see I've got about 17 of them right there, or 18 of them. I need two more. What I've done is I've searched my team, and I had this 75 overall Williams, and when I went into it, you can see he's worth 40. I went ahead and bought him for 42.5 million coins. But if you go to the highest price, he's actually worth 1.33 million coins if I go ahead and rank him up fully. If not that, if you go on and rank him up to rank 4 at least, he's still worth 600,000 coins, so you can definitely make some coins with that. Basically, I had one card already and I went ahead and bought 19 of them. Let's go ahead and calculate how much those 19 cards cost. So here we are then. I went ahead and paid 42.5k for each of them, and when we go ahead and multiply that to 19, that is 807,500 coins. So basically just over 800,000 coins is what I spent to go ahead and get 19 of these cards. So if you go back into there, I'm gonna go ahead and claim the last two that I actually had left right there, and this should be enough for me. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and actually rank that player up to max rank. You don't actually need to rank him up to max rank. If you go lower coins, you can do this card. For example, I can go ahead and rank this card up to rank 4, and that's gonna cost about 400,000 coins, and I can sell him for 600k, which will give me about like 150,000 profit. 150k profit after tax. Tax obviously matters as well, but you can still make quite a few coins after tax as well. Let's go ahead and, for example, go with filter, and it is Williams, right? So we're gonna go with Williams, and I'm gonna show you how you can make a lot of coins. I'm gonna go ahead and rank this player up. Now, to rank a player up to max, to rank 5, you actually need 19 players. That's why I bought 19 other players. So let's go ahead and fully rank him up first. This is rank 1, of course. You need one player, one of the same player, to go ahead and rank him up to rank 1. You need one player to rank him up to rank 2 as well, and then for rank 3 you actually need 2 players. If you go down there, if you are lucky, you can still do it with one rank, but that's only 50% possibility. You might not be lucky, and you might not be able to get that rank up. So we're gonna use. So you're definitely gonna do it the safest way. From rank 3 to rank 4, you actually need 5 players. So as you can see, we need 5 players to go ahead and rank a player up from rank 3 to rank 4. So we're gonna use all of them. As I said, I'm gonna use all the players. I'm not gonna take any chances, because if you use like 4 players out of 5, that's obviously minus coins, but you're not guaranteed to actually do it and actually get to rank 5. Anyways, I actually need one more card. I've got 90% possibility. I actually need one more card. So here we go then. I did go ahead and buy that extra one. So let's go ahead and put him right there. And now let's go ahead and rank him up finally and see how much he's gonna cost, right? We need 10 players, as I said. We've got these 10 players because we need 100% probability for this video. And here we go, we've spent just over 800,000 coins to go ahead and fully rank this player up, this 80 overall. Williams now, that was 75 overall. And now if you go into my player section, you will see that he's not gonna be going for 800,000 coins. He's actually going for 1.3 million coins. There we are then. I know there are 15 people trying to sell this card, but you're still gonna be able to sell this card. That one doesn't really matter. 15 people isn't that much. You are still gonna be able to sell that card. If I'm not gonna be able to sell that for this price right there, I can definitely sell him for a little bit lower, which is probably gonna be like 1.2 mil maybe, but that's still quite a few coins profit. If I manage to sell him for 1.3 mil, that's gonna be about 1.2 million coins that I'm gonna get. So 400,000 coin profit, right? If I sell him for 1.2 mil, that's gonna be about 300,000 coin profit. If only 1.1 mil, that's still gonna be 200,000 coin profit. So I'm still making quite a few coins if he doesn't actually sell for 1.33 million coins. But I'm pretty sure he's gonna be selling for that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the proof in one of my next videos whenever he sells, but he's definitely gonna sell. As I said, if he doesn't sell for that price, he's gonna sell for about like 1.25 mil. That's still gonna be more than 300,000 coin profit. But now let's go ahead and talk about higher price ones, right? For example, I've got this 87 overall Marquinhos right there, and as you can see, I can go ahead and buy this card, every single one of these cards for 3.5 million coins. And you actually need quite a lot more coins for this one. So let's go ahead and calculate how much is 3.5 mil times 19, obviously. So here we go, 3.5 times 19. That's gonna cost 66.5 million coins. That's a lot of coins, of course, but let's go back in there. Even though that is 66.5 million coins, you can go ahead and sell this Marquinhos card for over 100 million coins right there. As you can see, 104 million coins you can sell this card for. If you take away 10% tax, that's gonna be 90 million coins that you're gonna get. So basically you're getting 25 million coin profit at least. If you got 66.5 million coins, you should definitely go ahead and buy 19 Marquinhos's, this 87 overall card, rank him up to 92, and you will be able to get a lot of profit with that one. If you don't have that much coins, you can still go ahead and rank him up to rank 4, where you can go and sell that card for about 49 million coins right there. As you can see, let's go ahead and check how much it's gonna cost to go ahead and buy 9 of these Marquinhos, because obviously you need 9 cards to rank the player up from rank 0 to rank 4. Now 3.5 mil times 9, and that's gonna cost 31.5 million coins right there. So you're still making quite a few coins. As I said, you can sell that card for 49 mil, take away tax, that's gonna be 45 mil. You're still making about 14 million coins. So you can definitely do it if you don't have that much coins, or if you got a lot of coins, you can make a lot of profit. If you don't really have that much coins, you can still make profit with cards like Williams right there. I had Williams in my team, and when I went ahead and checked some of my players, he actually worked for this. But some of the players are not gonna work. Most of the players are not gonna work like that, but some of them are definitely gonna work, and you can definitely make some coins with those ones. For example, Guardiola is 200,000 coins. Is he gonna work? He is gonna work. You can still make a little bit of profit with Guardiola, but not that much, right? Not that much. Most players are not gonna work, but you can still find those cards that are gonna give you a lot of coins. This Chukwueze is not gonna work either, because you're not gonna be making any profit pretty much when you rank him up to rank 5. But as I said, there are definitely some players that will give you a lot of coins. Tagliafico, let's go and check that card out. Not Tagliafico either. You just need to go ahead and multiply a player's price to 19, and when you go ahead and find out that price is a lot lower than what he's going for at rank 5, then you're definitely gonna be making a lot of profit. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video for today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.